I'm John Power, I'm the chairman of the football club. I've been doing it for 20 odd years, and I played all my football here, and then it was just, they needed someone to take over, so I did it on an interim basis, and I've been stuck with it ever since. With the pitch improvement fund, we have to send in samples for them to make a prognosis of what we need and what we could benefit from, and one of the things that they said that we could benefit from would be the tractor with obviously the cutting deck and the quadruplay. And for us, to be honest, it's an absolute game changer. This was the machine that most of the clubs that have been lucky enough to be successful in getting the funding have been given. To be honest with you, I'm a long distance lorry driver. I don't know anything about tractors or anything, but it is an absolute fantastic bit of kit. It's 3 times the size of the one that we had before, but this one now is easy to manoeuvre, it's a fantastic cut, and it obviously does it 3 times quicker than the original one. When I spoke to Scott at RT Machinery, this was the one that he recommended. So we got it early January of this year, and Scott negotiated getting it into the garage. And even on Friday, when we struggled to get the cutting deck working, because it's the first time we've actually used it, Scott was there, 5:30 on a Friday evening, answering his phone, giving us advice and helping us along. So yeah, it's been brilliant. Well, anybody running an establishment such as a football club, cricket club, whatever sports club that needs the pitch work doing to it, it's a fantastic looking bit of kit to start with the lifting capacity to pick up the attachments, and the turning circle on it is fantastic. It's clearly evident with people that play on the football pitch, the lads say what a fantastic job it's done. Yeah, it's a fantastic bit of kit and highly recommended. I mean, it's a absolute game changer.